Hi you guys, welcome to Meg and May. Madsy is my special guest today and we are going to be learning a lot of tips and tricks from this girl. She has worked for Smashbox. She is highly educated in the beauty industry, knows what she's talking about, and we are going to be recreating these looks, natural beauty. So stay tuned, you guys. Woo!
We basically already have our brows and eyelashes done just for this video. These are Lashes by Rose in Jazz. I do have a promo code, so it is MadsyB20. So you guys can use that, and then you can get like 20% off on some lashes.
Everyone loves lashes.
True.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with face first. Always gotta hydrate.
My go-to lately has been the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream.
Their packaging, I'm just obsessed.
I don't honestly like try new creams too often, but it's super soft. I did use it yesterday and I found that it made my skin so glossy for the day, which is my absolute favorite.
Oh my gosh.
This is my favorite. It is an illuminizer moisturizer. The only thing with pairing these two, I found, like I said, I literally look like I was sweating all day, so I wouldn't pair them together unless that's the look you're actually trying to create.
She's ready.
You already put it on there. Then I like to prime with the primerizer. It's a moisturizer and primer in one. It's by Smashbox. I'm all about hydrating because I find my skin gets so dry, especially because I'm just getting over being sick. Even if you have combo skin, dry skin, or oily skin, this is a great one because it is just super natural, doesn't add too much.
And then of course I'm using my Benefit Professional. I love this stuff.
I actually haven't used that.
Really?
Yeah. Like, not Benefit, but that was because I worked for Smashbox.
You can't double dip.
No. Another fun trick for this one, you can actually pair it with your foundation and it becomes lighter. So if you have a full coverage, put this in there and you're set.
Next, Tarte and Urban Decay. I love how we're using different products.
I know, this is fun.
I think I want to do a matte and a shimmer.
I'm gonna do basically kind of the same. Let's do this. As long as you got lashes and like brows, like I feel like you're pretty safe. If you were to pick your like top 3 things for your face to do, what would it be?
Brows, lips, and contour.
100% brows, lashes, and glow. Well, actually, to be honest, I went through a full phase of not wearing liner underneath my eye, and then you made your video and I saw you put liner and I was like, you know what, I haven't done that in like ever, I gotta try this out, and then I fell in love. So that's the eyes.
Eyes are done.
Literally did not much. Okay,
my favorite part. I go in with foundation. What do you do?
I do foundation. This is the NARS Sheer Glow. I'm shade Too Light.
Does it actually say too light?
Light 2.
I use my Huda in Chai because this is my go-to. I'm gonna go with this.
Yeah, a few. Oh, you're a wet beauty blender?
Yes, you're dry?
Yeah. Why do you like it wet?
Because
Like, maybe it's because you use more full coverage though.
oh, maybe.
This is kind of how you tell your undertone. Your veins, if you're more blue, that is cool. If you're more green, you're olive. I feel like...
What am I?
Green, you're olive. And yours is way more matte. Mine's more sheer, so you can kind of see like...
Mine has no real glow to it.
Yeah.
It's probably just the moisturizer underneath.
100%. I like how I can see like still freckle base in here, especially in my nose and cheek area. I like being able to see those kind of things.
Wow, you guys, we're literally opposite. I started putting foundation on my lips because I watched this video tutorial of Kim Kardashian doing her makeup, and she said that she likes a blank or like a canvas.
Yep.
So I was like, well,
I'll give it a shot.
give it a shot, and then I'm Kim Kardashian.
Basically. I always highlight first.
I contour first.
Okay, opposite. I use the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer.
I bought that too.
Yes, it's in shade Snow.
Bought mine in shortbread.
Okay, so that's...
But I was gonna buy it in sand. They had it on
This
their
is Snow.
Oh. I listen, I swear.
Kind of just highlight in spots that I know don't get color. I don't do a really big highlight look. for the sake of today, I'm doing more of a natural look.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Then I go in with the Anastasia Mink Stick Foundation for the contour. I have mastered the like get ready so quick look.
I mean, I can do it.
Yeah.
But all of these steps, like some of them get missed. As long as your skin looks flawless, I feel like
you can get away with, yeah. I'm always interested in how you do your nose because I don't really do my nose too much. I'm like line, call it a day. I love seeing how people contour because like everyone does it so different.
You have to be natural.
That's it. It's natural. I honestly don't really bronze my face. I just kind of go over my contour areas again.
Same.
Yeah. Okay, we're on one thing. One thing we do the same. I love the hula that you're using as well. I've used that multiple times.
The OG.
I just kind of use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. I grabbed a shade instead of like a translucent. Ooh. So it's their setting powder and it's in shade light. So I don't find it white. It's like a nice shade.
And I use the Laura Mercier in translucent.
I don't let mine sit.
Oh!
No, I just like put it on and then I like blend it in. I use the Benefit blush bar. I use the Dandelion here and the California. Mix those two up and that is like kind of like my blush because I don't, like I said, wear much blush.
What else you got in there?
Gold Rush, Rockstar, and a Hula.
And I'm using Kylie in Crush. All Kylie cosmetics, I find that it's like looks different on everyone.
Okay.
So you never know.
You never know what it's actually gonna like show up as. Highlight, I use the Becca Champagne Pop. I unfortunately dropped this and it's completely shattered inside.
And I'm still not done with blush yet.
Oh my goodness.
It's like one of my new favorite products. I actually got it on the Sephora sale. Marc Jacobs. It's Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer. And I treat it as a blush, but also like with a little bit of more shimmer. So if I want matte, then this is definitely like the end. This is it. This is end. But if I want a little bit more definition, I'm gonna go in with this bad boy. It's a little, coral pink color.
Let's see. That's really pretty.
Isn't it pretty? And then they also have another one, and I forget what it's called, but I was gonna buy that one too, but it's a little bit more pink, and I find that with my skin tone, I gravitate towards like the orange. Oh, you are glowing.
Yeah. Another tip, I like to actually bring some highlight above my brow. Not a lot of people do that. It kind of depends, but I like to give that, yeah, the C look.
And I like to glow, but not as much as Maddie.
I got the Givenchy
You're bougie.
Next is, I guess, lip. Like I said, lip has never been a thing for me.
Meanwhile, we have all of these.
I brought like 4 products. I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip liner in shade Bed Rose.
I'm a lip girl. I'm gonna do an old school dark on the outside and then light on the inside. And I'm using MAC lip pencil in Cover.
And then I'm gonna use MAC in Faux.
It's literally like that too.
It's like my holy grail. Like
oh yeah, okay, this is my Faux.
Oh girl, gotta get a new one.
There's literally nothing left to it. And I just used Whirl over top of Myth.
I use the Glam Glow Glow Setter.
And I'm using Kylie Cosmetics. This is like my second one out of all of her products. This isn't the one product that I've like repurchased. Okay, you guys, well, this is the final look. Whoop, whoop. We hope that you've picked up a couple tips, tricks. I know that I have, learning from this beauty over here. And yeah, subscribe, like,
and
follow us on Instagram.
Show the love, we'll give the love back.
thanks you guys.
Bye.